Introducing Mynamo, a new add-in from BIMIL. Mynamo makes running Dynamo scripts easier than ever. In Mynamo settings, click Add button. Select the Dynamo script you want to run. Then enter an icon, button name, and description, and save. You can add up to 12 buttons. Click a button to run the assigned script. If the script has inputs or outputs, a settings window will open. Enter the required input values, and click Run to execute the script. Click the arrow button to view the output. If an error occurs during execution, you can view and save the log. You can assign shortcuts to Mynamo buttons. Set the shortcut for a button in Revit Options to quickly run the script. Scripts without inputs or outputs can be run repeatedly with ease. Download the add-in from BIMIL.